Well, good morning, everybody. Today I'm here for a quick upgrade on my Benchmade Bugout. This is the battle-worn red version. Been using this as an EDC for a couple of months now, and I had put in an order to the boys at Rockscale Design to do an add-on. This is the titanium backspacer for the Bugout, crimson red, just to add a little bit more stability and well, a kind of a neat look. So first thing, we got to take the pocket clip off. Of course, Benchmade set of Torx heads makes a big difference. That way I know everything always fits correctly, no issues, not a ton of lock on that one, which is nice. Okay. Get that one off. There we go. And all we need to do are just these two. So the two standoffs come off and that's it. Nice. Not a ton of thread locker there either. Just enough to keep it tight. I don't know if that's fantastic or not. That one had a little bit more on it. Let's get you off. And that one. Okay, now we gotta separate it ever so slightly. Get those back spacers out. There's one. And there's two. Okay. Oh, brand new bottle. Thought this one was already open. My mistake. Apologize. Okay, now we're just going to do a dry fit. See if I can do this without having, yeah, this will work quite nicely without having to take the whole thing apart. You just spread slightly. It should lock right in, and it does. And it gives you a nice closed up back, a little bit more support as well for those that have an issue with the Bugout and their handles flexing. I don't. I find they barely flex at all unless you force it. So let's get a little bit of blue, or a ton of blue. Okay, and we'll put that side in. Just nice and snug. we go. Need a little bit stronger magnet on this guy. And last one. That's it. Quick and easy. I think that's a nice little addition, upgrade to this unit. It does seem to decrease the flex back here considerably. So that worked out really well. Nice, easy upgrade. Don't have to take the whole thing apart. That is the Rockscale Design Titanium Backspacer upgrade for the Benchmade Bugout. Have a great day. I hope you learned something. Go to Rockscale Design, see if they can help you. Great products. Have a good day.